In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Trello masterboard, a two-way card sync. We'll start right from the browser so everything is clear and simple. Open your browser, go to your search engine, type Trello, and click the official Trello website. Once you're in, open the board you want to work with. This can be your future masterboard or any project board you plan to mirror from. Make sure you have permission to add power-ups on this board so everything goes smoothly. At the top of the board, click the power-ups icon. This is where you can extend Trello with extra features. Next, click Add Power-Ups to open the directory. In the search bar, type Two-Way Card Mirror Plus by Unito. This power-up creates a live two-way link between cards on different boards, so updates stay in sync automatically without manual copying. Click the Two-Way Card Mirror Plus by Unito result to open its details, then add the power-up to your board. If you're asked to authorize it, go ahead. That's expected. After it's added, open a card you want to sync. Choose a real task you'll want visible in both places. Inside the card, scroll to the bottom and click Power-Ups. From the list that appears, select Mirror Plus. This opens the Mirroring Setup panel. Start by selecting the destination board. This is where the mirrored version of your card will live. You need access to that board. If you don't see it, confirm it's in your workspace and that you're a member. Next, select the destination list on that board. Pick the most relevant spot for incoming cards, like To-Do, Intake, or Backlog, so items land where your team expects them. When both the board and list are chosen, click Mirror. You're done. The tool creates a linked card on the destination board. From now on, key details, like the title, description, due date, and other supported fields, stay in sync both ways. That means updates from either board reflect on the other, keeping teams aligned without duplicate effort. If changes don't appear instantly, give it a moment and refresh. Some fields can take a few seconds to update. For best results, keep card names consistent so mirrored items are easy to recognize, and ensure collaborators have the right permissions on both boards to prevent sync issues. It also helps to reserve a dedicated list on your masterboard for mirrored cards to keep triage and reporting clean. And that's how to build a Trello masterboard with a two-way card sync using Mirror Plus by Unito. Try mirroring a couple more cards to see the workflow in action, and you'll be ready to scale across teams.